Bukas pangit ako eh. Hello.
Go.
Okay,
John
next.
is pangit.
Palmo.
What's wrong with this guy?
Ano, he's so gay.
There.
He's drunk.
Because
Don't mind the guy.
because of
He's drunk.
that.
What?
Sanyig life.
They broke up. Who? The slumber boy.
Oh, yes.
No, I'm just happy.
Yeah, the
that
waiter
we're
in
next
Pier
to
1.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I didn't know that, huh?
What? You broke up?
Oh.
Paano ka tayo? Makakakwento.
Is that true?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I didn't like him.
Huh?
Too small.
Gago. Mommy.
Uy, may text silent. Push!
Okafor?
Oh.
Not bad, Linnaeus.
Okay
Liza.
pa yan.
So sorry.
Still playing.
No, he's in Europe now.
Huh?
He's in
Uy!
Europe.
Uy! Magic
Magic
Johnson.
Johnson.
Wow, what a patch.
Ang ganda naman yan.
Not
Shit,
bad.
what letter is
Nice.
that?
Who shot? 2 of 10.
What's that?
Dual auto jersey.
No.
Putik
That's
ka,
an extra.
T-Mac again. Enough.
Sablay ka lang yun eh.
Yan na Vince Carter.
BC.
Dude, I think your
Pao ka
girlfriend's calling you.
Kami na, matay na.
Jun, hawakan mo. Jun, hawakan mo.
Kasi mamaya na, wala na.
Ito kaya ito.
Ha?
So,
Lakers! L!
Hindi.
Liga.
so very nice
Parang sa G.
Hindi. E. That's E and then the start of letter R.
Okay. Oh, again, Okafor?
Okafor.
Front page.
Chris Paul.
No,
Oh,
it's
this-
Brandon Bass.
Brandon Bass? Yeah.
Kakulay,
He's from the same
punyeta.
year. Oh, I thought it was
Oh,
Jordan.
Anton Jamison again.
Look like
It's
the
very
head
close
of
to us.
Jordan.
Enshrinement.
Oh.
Oh my God!
It's raining T-Mac.
And
Who's
now,
following us? I will
Is
follow
that gold?
you.
Gold.
Gold.
Jones.
Jones with Billups.
Pare, use the D-Mac eh.
I think he likes us.
I will follow you.
Last!
That was
At
next.
least maganda yung sa first.
We will open.
We
We
got
will
the
open
win.
the SP Game Use 0304.
Hindi, buksan mo natin yung una yung utin.
No, later.
Ayan na.
Okay, let's finish the exquisite. We'll do the.
Isutin muna natin.
Tapos recap na lang yun.
Oo. Kasi yung iba dyan,
May base yun, di ba?
marami. Uy! Who's...
Another limited logo. Who's this?
Chris Webber.
Chris Webber.
Patrick Ewing.
Daniel
Ay,
Ewing does not play anymore.
Chauncey Billups?
Chauncey.
Letter
B of
B.
Billups. Oh.
Jordan!
Nice.
Pwede na. At
Not
least,
bad, not
Jordan.
Hindi ba ito di ba?
10A Kmart. So hope you like that. Can you pass me this one?
This is now
What's that?
the 0809.
Oh, 809.
We will finish off 2 cases of this and then.
Yeah, parang news ng konti. News ng konti. Sige.
But I saw... Yeah, I opened
Good
it's
thing,
ugly.
pero-
Oh, you wanna see source? Okay, but you don't know where. Why did you see source?
Shut up. May barbers ka pala tayo sa Hispano. Galing eh.
Gusto mo papatay na to?
Dapat di ito pa-haircut at nag-wax ka lang.
Shut up. What's wrong with you?
Huh?
Sige.
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm just happy.
Oh. I thought you just gay.
Yes,
Say it.
that's another
I'm
word.
just gay.
No, no,
Come
no.
on, come on. Better
No,
than
no,
saying
no.
I'm just happy. I'm just gay.
No, I will not say that.
Oy, hurry up, opening.
It's hard to open.
It's hard to open. It's
Hindi, pero kung
0809.
post mo naman, yun lahat ng cards eh.
Okay.
Oh, now it's okay for us to get Michael Beasley.
Why?
Because he's playing.
Ah, yeah.
Pumasok ba?
We're not eh. Bargnani.
Kevin
Love.
is back. Producing double-doubles.
Robin Lopez, who's also playing well.
Can you feel the love?
TJ Ford.
Ooh, that was a gay comment.
Yes. And Gerard Wallace.
Ah. Love is in the air.
Oh no.
What?
No, we're just saying you're gay.
No, I'm not. Woohoo! Premium patch. Ito muna. Yan o.
What's this?
Jason Thompson?
Jason Thompson?
Oh, good.
Scripted swatches of Danny Granger?
Oh, that's
that's
good,
good.
ah.
Yeah.
Even
It's
if
good.
he's
Injured.
Ah, wala. Injured ba yan?
Ryan Anderson, who's playing very well.
Yeah, for the
Magic.
Orlando Magic.
Uy.
And John Havlicek, who's this, flawless or the regular auto?
Flawless ba yan?
No, regular auto.
Why is there a cut here?
Here. Outside, outside.
Kitty cat.
We'll see. Oh, dual! Kobe, Jordan. I can
Seryoso
see
ka?
it.
Oo nga, no?
Goal!
Look at that.
Yes, Kobe Jordan.
Nobody, but that.
Oh, another.
Nobody but you.
You're killing yourself.
Bosch, David Lee, and Mark
Alam mo yung mga
Gasol.
redemption ni Kobe? Kupal. Single auto. Binalik niya sa Kobe.
Hindi lang basta.
Oo, pero single. Yung Kobe
Yung
na
flawless
lang.
ang isa.
Kobe lang, walang Brian.
Baduy sabi ko.
talaga?
"Ay, buti na lang.
Mati naman.
Gold.
Kasi panini na siya.
Tapos
Alexander.
gold yung isa oh.
Wait, this is a hot box, I think.
yeah!
This is all rookie.
1 of 1!
What? No, one
Yeah,
of
1 of 1 of Brandon Rush.
Brandon
1 of
Rush.
1 of
Nice.
Brandon Rush.
And then
Hot pack for gold.
3 or 4
of
J.R.
Giddens.
Giddens.
Oh,
Wow.
wait.
Careful,
Slow.
careful. Oh, wait.
Slow.
Walter Short.
Puro rookie.
Slow.
No,
No.
Talaga sablay
Wait.
kayo eh.
Wait,
Pero
Howard.
halos hot pack ah.
You made me excited, ha? You made me excited.
talaga.
Roy Hibbert.
Oh, pwede na. Puro
And,
rookie
one
card,
of
oh.
one of,
But that's a good
Brandon.
Brandon Rush. Oh, what a rush.
Nothing there.
Ito mo.
It's empty. Wala to.
You do this.
Why?
Oh,
Uy.
Jabali McGee.
Javali McGee. This is J.R.
Oh.
Giddens. Uy, uncut sheet.
Frame cut sheet.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
Uy.
Tony Parker.
Oh,
1 of 1.
Masterpiece plate.
Uy. Hindi pa yung uncut.
Manipis eh.
And Joe Johnson.
Dalawang regular.
Last.
What?
Then we will
What's
stop.
that? Are you having
7.5
this?
minutes.
Oh, what's that sound?
Mike Taylor. Kobe Bryant, flawless.
Mm-hmm.
Okay lang
Yun
yung
lang,
babasin.
signing, so...
Yeah.
Walter Sharp.
Come on!
Rudy Gay.
Oh, that's...
And
Brandon Roy.
No. Gerard Bayless.
Bayless.
Alright, we will be back with 5 cases of the 2910.
Yeah.